Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I filmed this cotton candy inspired eyeshadow tutorial. I think it came out super cute. If you'd like to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. And to start off this look, I'm going to prep my eyes with the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 0.5 on an M224 brush and pat that all over my lid. Picking up the Morphe 35B palette, I'm going to take the blue shade on a fluffy brush and I'm going to start adding that into my inner corner of my crease, and I'm going to just start tapping and then slowly diffusing. Now taking the same brush and the same blue shade and also dipping into that navy shade, and I'm just going to deepen my crease just a little more. Now I'll be picking up a blending brush and dipping into the purple shade, and I'm going to start packing that right next to the blue. Now dipping into the hot pink shade on a small blending brush, and I'm just going to place the color right on top of the purple, and then I'll be taking my M441 brush and I will be diffusing that out with the hot pink shade. And now that I have my colors placed, I'm going to go ahead and go back with the purple and go back with the pink and just build up the intensity. And now to cut my crease, I'm going to take my M224 brush and the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 0, and I'm going to start stamping out my crease. Crease with a white shade from Sugarpill in the shade Tako. Now I'll be picking up my M441 brush again, and I'll be diffusing the purple and the white and make sure there's an ombre effect with the pink. Now I'll be taking my Stila Gold Goddess glitter again, and I'll be adding a thin line right on top of my cut crease line, and then I'll be setting it with this light iridescent blue glitter right on top of it. And for my under eye shadow, I already placed the P. Louise base right under my eyes, and I'll be adding the purple and the pink on the outer corner, and in the inner corner, I'll just keep the blue right in the same region. Now picking up some of my lash glue, and I'll be adding that to my inner corner region. And then I'm going to take this shredded Mylar that I got from the craft store, and I'm going to add that to my inner corner. And I quickly did my other eye off camera, and I'll be taking this black liner and tight lining the top of my waterline. And then for my bottom waterline, I'll be taking the NYX Jumbo White Liner in the shade Milk. And now I'll be taking this ColourPop lip liner in the shade BFF, and I'll be lining my lips and topping it off with Jeffree Star's liquid lipstick in the shade Hunty, and I'll be topping it off with this Smashbox lip gloss as well. And I'll be spraying my face with the Mario Badescu Lavender Facial Spray and pressing it in with my beauty sponge. Now taking the Tarte highlighter in the shade Exposed, I'll be highlighting my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and my cheekbones. Alright guys, and that completes this look. Thank you so much for watching this cotton candy tutorial. I really love how it came out. Any makeup product I used will be in my description below. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Twitter, both at RosaXRobles. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video.